Welcome! In this video, I'll tell you how to deposit money in Exness using Tether USDT. Let's begin. First, open the Exness app and log into your account. Once you are on the home page, tap the profile icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, navigate to the crypto balance section. From here, choose Tether USDT and tap on the deposit option. After that, tap on Continue. You will now see a wallet address. Copy this address carefully. Next, open the Binance app and go to the Assets section. From there, switch to the Spot section at the top. Tap on Send and in the drop-down menu, select On-Chain Withdrawal. Start searching for USDT and choose it. Since it is a crypto network transfer, paste the wallet address you copied from Exness. Under the network option, select ERC20. Now enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer and then tap on the Withdraw button. Complete the verification process to finalize the withdrawal. Once the transaction is processed, the funds will be successfully deposited into your Exness account. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.